Tips for a fun and successful camping trip. There are 3 common types of camping: tent, RV, and cabin rental. Each of these types of camping can be great fun. No matter the type of camping trip you plan to take, you need to prepare for just about anything. Read the guide below to learn how to make your camping trip as enjoyable as it can possibly be. When you are camping, a necessity for your gear is a survival knife. This is the most important part of your camping gear. Buy a high-quality survival knife, not just the cheapest you can find. Your life may depend on it. These knives are all very similar. They have a long blade serrated on one side and a hollow handle. Inside the handle you can carry fishing line, hooks, a compass, and matches as a small survival kit. Though you may believe that there will be sufficient wood lying around for your fire, you may only be able to find wet lumber that does not easily burn. It is good planning to take your own wood with you and store it where it is dry. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug, and of course, that your campfire is completely out. Pack a few shovels if there are children with you on your trip. Kids love nothing better than digging in the dirt, and having the right accessories is crucial. If you have room, bring a bucket too. The children will happily entertain themselves in the dirt while you unpack, set up camp, and do everything that you need to do. This guide can help a camper of any level find new ways to prepare for their camping trip. Use it as you plan your next excursion and you are sure to have the time of your life. Plan, prepare, and enjoy your very next camping trip this coming camping season. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.